Hello guys, today I've got the JBL Xtreme 5 speaker and I'm going to show you why your device may be so quiet. So, the main reason behind it may be your phone or your player. So try to connect your speaker to a different phone, or on your private phone try to switch the players. And of course, Spotify between the Apple Music or something like that. Just switch and check. Of course, if you connected some other phone, try to switch between the players too to check if the player was the issue or if the phone was the issue. So, if it's the same everywhere, you need to try to charge your speaker up to 100%. This should take you about 4 hours or even 5 hours depending on the conditions, because the company says that it should take 3.5 hours, but these are ideal conditions, so in normal conditions it may be 4. That's all I have to say about that. And if it still doesn't work, and if it's still quiet, you need to try to perform a factory reset. Turn on your speaker and wait. Now you need to do a factory reset. How to do that? Hold this play and volume up buttons for at least 3 seconds. Now this is what we done called factory reset. This should help you. I have no other words to say. If it still doesn't work, you need to contact the device support. Goodbye.